see me afterwards. Or well out the front. Axel, they're not letting go. This is what we want to see. This is Matsuri, but pretty good nonetheless. I can't. It's a pretty rare bar. Axel Hildebrand. Axel Hildebrand's car. Has come off. weigh anything, Axel?